How to fix shadowbanned in Tinder. If your matches suddenly drop to zero, your messages go unanswered, or you just feel invisible on Tinder, you might be shadowbanned. In today's video, I will show you how to tell if you're shadowbanned and exactly how to fix it. So let's get started. Alright, first, what is a shadowban? A shadowban is when Tinder quietly limits your visibility without telling you. You can still swipe, but your profile is basically hidden from others. This can happen if you broke Tinder's rule, got reported by other users, or used third-party apps or bots. So how to fix it? The number one step is to delete your Tinder account. Not just the app, go into settings and fully delete the account. Now, open Tinder and tap onto profile right here. Then tap onto settings. Now scroll down and here you can find delete account option. Tap on it and simply delete your account. Next step is to uninstall the app. For that, keep on tapping on the app just like this and tap on to remove app. After that, uninstall the app and simply reinstall it. Now next step is clearing the app cache. For that, go to settings just like this. Scroll down and tap onto general. Then tap onto iPhone storage right here. Then scroll down and find Tinder. Just like this. Now tap on it and tap onto upload app. After doing this, the cache of the app will be cleared. And that's how you fix a shadowban on Tinder. It takes a little effort, but it's totally worth it to get back in the game. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.